Happy Sunday, everyone. Just had an awesome weekend. I ran the red belt training for My Life, My Power, which I'm one of the black belts by the creator Daniel Pewter. Awesome weekend, transformation. And I thought of something as I got in my head about a situation that happened, including my little angel of a buddy over here, who I went to pick up his water dish. I know he's food aggressive, and he took a little piece out of my hand, but that's what friends are for. I was driving, and what I noticed was I was still in my head, and I wasn't present to driving home on a sunny day, looking forward to getting a good dinner. And what I did was I thought about music. And my buddy Agazi, he got super happy and super excited one time when I just put on Paul Simon's You Can Call Me Al, and I started having fun on bop, and he never saw me so excited. So the music had me change my state. Like, I teach pattern interrupts as a way to change a child's behavior in a second, having them pay attention to you. So it's a state change, and that's common with music. That may be the key to happiness. Because anything that goes on in your life that you can think of, if you can solve the problem, you're going to solve the problem. If not, when we worry, why not just put on some music? Like, my invitation to you is create a playlist on your phone, YouTube, whatever, 5 songs. Inspirational, happy, excited, ones that you hear like, like I love Metallica. So if I'm in my head about something and all of a sudden I hear dun, 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 I'm off back there. I'm back at a Metallica concert. If all of a sudden I put on one of my other songs I love, the Thundercats theme song, and it goes dun, 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 like that, boom, back into my childhood, not thinking about it. Find 2 songs from your childhood from a show. I could be in my head about something, all of a sudden, if I want to go, I hit play, and all I hear is, come and knock on our door, come and knock on our door, we've been waiting for you, and I'm back. It's an opportunity to engage yourself and take action so that you can access happiness over and over and over. All right, I appreciate you all. Have a great day.